Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Plug the Chromecast into the TV HDMI and attach power that powers the device and initiates pairing. Open the Google Home app on your phone. Bluetooth and location let the app discover the Chromecast. Make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi band you intend to use because the device copies that network and credentials. Once the device appears in the app, tap Setup to begin pairing. This connects the app to the Chromecast so you can configure Wi-Fi. Once paired, confirm the code on your TV. This prevents pairing with the wrong device. Next, pick the Wi-Fi SSID from the list. Enter the password carefully because an incorrect character blocks connection. Choose 4 GHz for longer range or 5 GHz for speed, depending on interference and distance. Name the Chromecast and assign a room so casting and voice control identify it properly. Let it apply settings and download any firmware updates. Make sure your phone stays close to avoid interruption. Finish by casting a short video or tab to confirm streaming works and that audio and video are synced. If it won't connect, restart your router, Chromecast, and phone. That clears DHCP or routing glitches. Make sure the router's guest mode or AP isolation is off because those prevent device-to-device discovery. If problems persist, re-enter the Wi-Fi password exactly or perform a factory reset from Google Home or the device button. Use reset as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.